Okay, another installment of Weekly Instant Tournament. This week, if I remember to do so, I'm going to explain a little bit more, which means this video could get quite a bit longer than the usual half an hour. Okay, this is the nature of experiment, and I'm going to ask you guys to feedback once you've viewed this video. Right, let's get to it. I have 19 high cut points with a singleton king clubs. So it looks like I'll bid one diamond. Okay, I have 19 points, 19 high cut points, but I need to discount it because of the king here, which my opponents might have the ace, right? On the other hand, I need to add for my singleton here. So overall, I would say it roughly balances out. I have about 19 points. So I'm just going to bid 4 spades. All right. 4-4 fit is the worst kind of fit you can have, because if opponents are split 3-2, you have to use up 3 rounds of trump draw just to take them all out, and leaving you with precious few trumps to use. Okay, so my king, as I feared, is gone to the ace, but the good thing is I have queen jack 10-9, which will be promoted once the ace of club is out. I have no losers in hearts, 1 loser in spades, potentially a passel of losers, a bunch of losers in diamonds, but I can either ruff or use these nice clubs to get rid of the diamonds. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 5 more enemy clubs out there. So the chances are good I can discard at least 1 diamond, if not 2, from the clubs, and maybe ruff the rest. It's going to be a combination. Okay, there goes 1 diamond. Okay, I'm going to ruff, force to ruff actually. So I'm going to use up 1 club. That's 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 3 clubs out there. So it's possible that I can use up 1 more club to do this with, but I think I will just there's a queen here of hearts, which I can come back up to. So I think I can use up 1 round of trumps. If they try to play diamonds again, I can still ruff actually, but he isn't. So that's 1 round. 5. 9 trumps, 10, 11, 12. So there's 1 more trump still in play. And since I have an entry in my dummy hand, so I can still go back up and discard again. And it's all good. Okay. 18 points. I could actually double or overcall. Obviously, it's quite possible my partner has, I mean, between my 18 high cut points and my right hand side opponents, probable at least 12 HCP. We have 30 HCP between us, and so therefore that means my left-hand side opponent and my partner probably have few points. But the good thing is, of course, let's see now. If my partner has a long spade suit, I could be looking at a game hand. No trump seems rather unlikely, although I do have an ace here. So I'm going to do a take-out double instead of a overcall. Okay. Well, I'm going to take out double again because if my partner has a second suit to show, this is the time to show it. Or repeat the spade suit. Okay, no go. Okay, time to pass. So my left-hand side opponent actually stayed silent first and then bid 3 diamonds. So the likelihood is my left-hand side partner has long in diamonds. Okay, I have an ace king in diamonds here. So I can actually throw a king and leave the ace behind the guard. And well, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's only one more diamond in either my opponent or my partner. More likely, my right hand side is now void. So this ace is going to have to guard okay. So I will draw 1 round of trumps to get rid of this ace here, and then I'll play clubs. The idea being to remove high cards from this side. There's 8 clubs, 9, 10, 11. There's 2 more clubs out there. Okay. I can continue clubs. I'm going to get rough. Yep. I can throw a jack. There's nothing, there's no jack on this side anyway. %. Well, actually, 2 clubs. Well, all right. Okay. 13 points, flat hand. Not very good. So I'm doing better. I'm playing better minor. The robots convention is better minor, so I'm going to bid 1 club. Two clubs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 losers, and I have a flat hand. Oh, I forgot to mention with the 3 clubs, my partner is actually asking me for help in the club suit. Okay, so basically, this game is trying to find a game when the points are very marginal, essentially. All right. My partner may have, let's say, 11 points. I have 13. I do have ace of clubs to help my partner. But the problem is if there's a 4-4 fit in spades. I think I mentioned previously that a 4-4 fit in trumps is about one of the worst trump fits you can have. It's not a terribly good trump fit. I'm really right on the margin here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 losers. I basically have a bare mode. I basically have a minimum hand, no distribution to speak of, not really. It's a coin toss between 3 spades and 4 spades, really. The other thing is, my club suit doesn't have anything other than the ace. If I had a 10 or a jack or something, then it might be worthwhile. Okay, so my partner could have 3 useless clubs, for example. And so I have 2 losers straight here. Maybe 1 more here. Yeah, I probably won't. Okay. Queen of diamonds lead. So either my right hand side has a queen jack in its holdings, or the queen is led from top of double turn or singleton. If the jack is on my right hand side, there's nothing I can do. I can do something if my jack is on my left hand side. Therefore, I'm going to take with the king, with a mind that later I can finesse for the jack. Yeah, right. But just in case this queen lead is from a singleton, I better draw trumps. Draw trumps. Okay, I'm gonna have to. I mean, trying to preserve this loser in hearts is probably a fruitless anyway, so might as well. Okay, it looks like the jack is on my right hand side, I think. So there's no finesse to be had there. Okay. 8 trumps, 9, 10, 11. There's one more trump out there, and might as well draw it out. Yes. So it's almost pointless in my hearts and my diamonds right now. I'm going to lose them. Okay, maybe have a 10 years, so I could try to do, I don't know what kind of finesse they call it, but it's a finesse. Okay, the king came out, so that means the jack is here, right? Jack is here. I mean, I'll just if in the finesse. Okay, got it. Okay, rough. Yeah. Okay, thank goodness I didn't go to game, but I think it's not wrong to go to game either. It was finely balanced. Some went to game. It was pretty finely balanced whether to go to game or not. Okay, so anyway. "14 points, but my partner has passed. And I don't have any long majors. So basically, game is almost impossible, and I probably should pass. So there's 7 spades on my right hand side, and my right hand side is also traditionally 6 to 10 points, so fairly weak, right? So I have 5, 6, 9. So I don't really like to lead because, and my right hand side opponent could also be short in 1 or 2 suits anyway. All right. So let's see now. Okay, I don't like to lead from where I have honors like this in my suits, especially when I know that my left hand side is probably, I mean, I basically want my enemy to lead to me. All right. So I think I'm going to just lead trumps, top of trumps. Okay, so 7. This he has probably 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. My partner probably has had 3 trumps. Okay, that with a king. So one more trump in my partner's hand. Yep. So very likely my partner has a king because he's weak, right? So okay. I'm gonna just probably get roughed. Oh no, no, not yet. Okay, never mind, another one. I don't know why my partner tried to rough and get over roughed. Anyway, okay. Okay, 46%. Who did better? Well, it seems that no Trump is possible. I don't know. Anyway, there was a bit of a risk by whoever did that. 16 points. No, it's actually 17 points. With 17 points, I might actually have a slam. But I only have 3 spades. Now, if I had 4 spades, I could do a Jacoby 2 no trump. So all I can do now is do a forcing 2/1. Okay. And my partner has to repeat 2 spades, which probably means a minimum hand and nothing else to bid. I think we can still explore. So what I do is this thing called slow bidding, or I can't remember the exact term, but I just bid 3 spades to show a fit and then see what my partner does. My partner is not interested in slam. All right, 3 spade was, see this description. Okay, possibly a strong hand. So I suggested a strong hand and my partner passed. I think I can still try with 17 high card points. And actually effectively I have 18 points, right? I think I can still try, provided my partner has two key cards, the ace and king of spades. If my partner has ace and king of spades, I think I am in with a chance. So apparently not. My partner shows one key card. So either ace or king of spades only. So I think I better give up the idea of a slam. Okay, all the side suits are solid. The only suit with obvious losers is going to be the spade suit itself. And I have 8 spades. Okay, so I'm going to have to try to draw. Okay, draw trumps carefully. Let's hope if they are split unevenly, I'm going to have to, I've put myself into trouble in a 5-spade position where I could have had 4 spades. Let's hope they don't break unevenly. Okay. Okay, they didn't split unevenly. In fact, my 10 of spades is good. So I have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have one more trump outside, which I can then draw because this 9 of hearts can be discarded from my clubs. All right, and all else is good, I can claim. So it looks like I made 12 tricks after all. Right, and actually nobody tried a slam. I came close, but no cigar. All right. 14 points flat hand. It's a really flat hand. It's better minor, so actually I should bid 1 diamond. But nevertheless, because I have a flat hand, I think I want to just bid 1 club first and see what happens. Because if I bid 1 diamond, my partner might bid 2 clubs, game forcing. Yeah, actually that's possible. But anyway, I frequently switch between the two. One, whenever they are equal length. I don't really care about the ace. Equal length. Okay, my partner is showing me club support and probably a longish club suit, although it is 4+, right? But because it's a club opener, right? I think more likely is 4 good ones or 5 or more, right? Anyway, opponents have shown diamond fit, of which I have the ace, which is a good thing, which may mean 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, which may mean my partner may only have 1 diamond, which I cover. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. My partner could have the equivalent of actually a good opening hand herself, assuming the shortage in diamonds. So 5 clubs is possible actually. £14. My partner probably has the equivalent of 15. Okay, we can try. This assumes my partner has 0 to 1 diamonds. And my partner has, tada, no diamonds. Okay. No more clubs. All right. I'm probably going to lose too. I'm just messing around. Yeah, right. Okay, why not? I'm just going to lose one more trick. So claim 6. Okay, 50%. All right. Well, most people made to 5 clubs. Okay. 11 points flat. I'm gonna pass. Okay. So this is where I do a reverse jewelry or jewelry. I'm going to show that I have, how many points do I have? Yeah, 10 to 12 and support. So this means my partner opened light in 3rd seat. I have maybe 11, maybe with 11 points even, and I have probably 11 points in the flat hand. So I think I will pass. Whoa. Could we have missed game? 1 loser in spades, 2 diamond, 3 or 4 in clubs. Well, maybe not. And 5 in. So the strategy here would be there's no harm ducking in case it's not likely in case he's led from a suit holding the king. But even if he didn't and the king comes out, my queen is promoted, which could be useful. Hey, that was rather unexpected. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't want to play the clubs and the diamonds. I prefer the opponents to, when they have the lead, to lead in that suit if possible. So I'm going to just go down, use up the trumps in my dummy hand, and now draw trumps. Oh dear. Maybe I should have bid game. Okay, I'm going to leave the diamond suit alone because it's better for opponents to play the diamond suit. So let's try a finesse here. And wow, not bad, not bad. I'm going to rough once, use up spades, go down again. Okay. Yes, and my opponents have been what they call end played. They are forced to play the diamonds so that, yes, and I got 2 good cards and can claim. I made +3. Should Well, only one guy beat the game. Interesting. Okay. Anyway, back to here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 points, flat hand, a very natural 2 no trump. Okay, straightforward, just bidding. I could have 5 winners in diamonds, plus another 4 in hearts, another 1 in spades. My club suit is very iffy with only the king on the side. So if right hand side ever gain control and let through here, I could be in trouble. So therefore, I need to win this. Okay, just for the sake of the extra tricks, I'm going to do this, and then afterwards, I'm going to, if East plays high, I will win. If East plays something that I can win with a 10, I will take. And there's some chance opponent might lead clubs, which would promote my king. Yes, nice. All right, so everything is mine now. Okay. Alrighty. I think that's the end. See you next week.